How to create a broadcast channel on Instagram on Android. This tutorial shows you how to set one up and start sending messages to all your followers at once. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. From there, tap your profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. After that, tap the three lines at the top right to open the menu, then tap Settings. At this point, scroll down a bit and tap Account Types and Tools. Following this, scroll to the very bottom of that page and you'll see the broadcast channel option listed there. From here, if the option is grayed out, it means your account hasn't reached the minimum requirement yet. You need at least 1,000 followers to unlock the broadcast channel feature on Instagram on Android. After that, once you're eligible and the option is unlocked, tap on it to get started. At this stage, give your broadcast channel a name and follow the prompts to create it. You'll also get the option to send a join invitation to your followers so they can tune in right away. You can also access the broadcast channel option through your messages. From there, tap the message icon at the top right of your home screen. Following this, tap the new message icon at the top right of the messages screen. Finally, along with the usual options like creating a new group, you'll find the broadcast channel option there as well. Tap it to create one directly from your inbox. That's how you create a broadcast channel on Instagram on Android. If this was useful, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and ring the bell so you never miss an upload. See you in the next one.